Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Welcome to what is a hot day today, but we're out here at the Sick Rides for Sick Kids car show. Just behind me there's a huge turnout, lots of cool cars, of course. As always, I'm here with the 10th Gen Club. We have kind of our huge line of cars just all over here, and we actually got 2 lanes of spots. So in a second here, we'll do a quick walk around, pick out some of the cool things that are here, see what else is going on. There's competitions happening later, so I'll try to film as much as I can. And yeah, I'm going to try not to melt in this heat.
Down to 29. This one might be Go.
Yeah, you'll make it.
Good.
Yep, good.
Let's go.
Good. Yep, he's good. Yeah! Good.
You're gonna make
You're
it.
good.
Yeah, you're gonna make it.
It might just be
Not that much.
Oh!
That's
That's
your
your
tenor.
Yep, there it is. There it is. Bro, you can go down so much. Yo.
I love this
guy's
thing.
got it.
I love it.
Okay, so that's gonna do it for this show. I'm sorry I didn't film more than what I did, but I was just busy hanging out. We did the awards, so congrats to all the winners. Big congrats to Mark, aka Taxmaster from 10 Gen Club, for winning a big community a support award. So big congrats to him. But yeah, we're just getting ready to head out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Not really sure where it's gonna go or where it did go, but nevertheless, Sick Rides for Sick Kids this year was an awesome show. We raised a bunch of money for a good cause. As always, I'll put a link down below if you guys want to know what it's all about for next year, how to donate to some of the charities that the show supports. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.